Hola, buenos días. Mi nombre es José Rubén Jiménez Francisco. Soy un estudiante de la Escuela Virtual CNSI con matrícula al 113115. Hoy les vengo a presentar mi proyecto integrador que es sobre la materia de inglés. Bueno, comencemos. El tema de hoy va a ser una entrevista de trabajo. Hope Interview. Interviewer, good morning. Thank you for coming. We are looking for a new project manager to start. Tell me about your background. Candidate, good morning. Is in places well able. Worked in Intel industry for 5 years and have developed several successful projects as in industrial engineering. Momentos. Escena 2. Interview. Tran impressive. What were you doing before you joined your latest company? Candidate, before I started my job, I was working as a junior assistant and at manufacturing plant for 2 years and been studying mi mejor alto examen time. Some it was very busy period. Scene 3. Interview. Is there anything in your career you will do differently? Candidate, trust or God? Question I my first project was at Adelaide because of a communication error in an organized team better. We were able to finish the project. I am team both learned a lot from that mistake. Escena 4. Interior. Grad were now somehow regardless from experiences. Do you have any question? Candidate, just what are next steps? I have already prepared. Mi certificate of you, mi enthusiasm. Interview, we will call you next week. Thank you. Con esto doy por concluido mi proyecto integrador. Espero les haya gustado un poco y gracias por su atención prestada.